Democratic and nationalist revolutions, 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries, Part 1. Change that made the modern world. The integration of the entire world progressed very rapidly from around 1450 CE. This was accompanied by many important changes in the way people worked, thought, and ruled. Many of these changes enabled the development of some of the key features of the modern world. Example, goods production in industries and agricultural production by using machines. This was resulted the Industrial Revolution. Today, we give a lot of importance to science, reason, and evidence. Using the methods of science and reason, now about Earth, universe, our body, feelings, and thinking. This is the result of a process we call scientific revolution. During the last few centuries, a few countries tried to conquer and exploit other countries. This process is called colonization. Example, Britain, Holland, France, etc. Early modern period. The period between 1450 to 1750 is called the early modern period. Many features had begun to develop in different parts of the world much before that. Around 1492, Christopher Columbus, an Italian sailor, reached South America and effectively discovered a continent unknown to most Europeans till then. It opened to colonization of North and South America. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, worked out a sea route to India by going around Africa in 1498. It developed the great trade relations between continents. Another development was the rise of large kingdoms and empires. Example, in India, the Mughal Empire. The early modern period was also the time when major advances were made in science, in astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, etc. During this time, the observations and calculations made by India, China, Arab countries. After years, a hard-worked great scientist like Galileo arrived at the conclusion that the sun was at the center of the solar system and planets like the earth went around it. The early modern period was dominated by the ideas of human freedom and equality. This had a great influence on religious thinking as people rebelled against dogmatism, priesthood, and ritualism of earlier religious thoughts and asserts that all human beings could reach God irrespective of their birth or social status. All these changes in the early modern period paved the way for the great development of the modern period. In the early times, ideas of democracy and fundamental rights were not there. Countries were ruled by kings and emperors. Society was divided into estates having privileges to each estate.